Hello everyone, welcome back. Disclaimer. The opinion expressed here is not investment advice. Shiba Inu, SHIB, holders fortune prediction for next week. As anticipated in the previous article, Shiba Inu, SHIB, snapped the $0.01217 mark after forming a bullish rectangle bottom setup. For brevity, SHIB prices are multiplied by 1,000 from here on. While sellers showed near-term resistance at the $0.017 mark, buyers would strive for continued growth amidst the recent bullish engulfing candlestick. On the flip side, the sellers could aim to inflict a pullback toward the 20 EMA, red, before a likely rebound. At press time, SHIB traded at $0.01477, down by 6.8% in the last 24 hours. For over 2 months, SHIB buyers faced recovery barriers in the $0.01217 region. As a result, this choppy movement led to a sideways track in the daily chart. Meanwhile, the bulls kept building up on their underlying pressure reflected in the form of higher lows over the last few weeks. Consequently, SHIB formed an ascending triangle on the daily chart and reflected a visible bullish edge. Further, the north-looking 20 EMA, red, and the 50, cyan, assumed immediate support post their recent bullish crossover. The eventual breakout candlestick on the 14th of August entailed a massive uptick in buying volumes. Owing to the bullish engulfing candlestick, an immediate recovery above the $0.0152 mark can make way for an extended recovery. In this case, SHIB could witness a recovery toward the $0.017 minus 2 cents range. An inability to find a close above this mark would only provoke a sluggish phase near the EMAs. Rationale: after swiftly piercing through the 70 mark, the overbought relative strength index, RSI, saw a slight pullback over the last few days. The buyers must strive to maintain a spot above the 59 level support to heighten the chances of continued recovery. Also, the accumulation distribution indicators' lower troughs were rather flat while bullishly diverging with the price. A sustained close below its immediate support could delay the near-term recovery prospects. Conclusion: given the bullish engulfing breakout candlestick on high volumes alongside the north-looking 20/50ths EMA, buyers would strive to maintain their edge. Any reversals toward the 20 EMA could hint at a plausible dull phase. The targets would remain the same as discussed, but the alt shares a 59% 30-day correlation with Bitcoin. This group of Shiba Inu and Doge investors caused 23% plunge. As we have covered in our recent crypto market reviews, the fading of the meme currency rally was most likely inevitable as volume profiles and the behavior of large investors were hinting at the upcoming reversal, and the investors who started the rally are the ones who ended it. Shiba Inu is back at beginning. According to the daily chart of the assets, SHIB's value has reversed back to the value we saw on August 19, which means that the result of the most recent rally was nullified and the token's price returned to the same level we have been seeing since the beginning of the month. The main reason behind the reversal was the increased profit taking from whales who were at the foundation of this 25% rally from the beginning. The high number of large transactions on the Shiba Inu network foreshadowed the massive profit taking that provided too much selling pressure and derailed the short-term price increase. Dogecoin has also dropped to the level we have been seeing for the last 60 days as the meme coin entered the consolidation channel at around 7 cents and has not been able to perform breakthrough. Considering the lack of trading volume, another reversal and pump are unlikely to happen in upcoming days, especially without the support of whale investors on both assets. Shiba Eternity, the first mobile CCG title from the Shiba Inu ecosystem, is not yet out, but Satoshi Kusama, the pseudonymous lead developer of the dog-themed altcoin, has a lot of plans for the game, including launching tournaments and giving rewards. The early test run of Shiba Eternity is phenomenal, with the team needing to boost the gameplay server by 50-fold a few days after launch because of overwhelming demand. And while the game is yet to get its official release date and download day, Kusama shared some more interesting details about the game and the future of Shiba Inu games as a whole. Former Shiba Growth member and social media influencer Gossip Shib shared via Twitter on Thursday that Kusama, on Discord over the weekend, talked about Shiba Eternity and their dream of developing more in the future. Kusama noted that they want to be able to have tournaments where we give back. One Discord user inquired about rewards with Shiboshis or the Shiba Inu generated NFTs, to which Kusama promised to discuss rewards at release, adding that Shiboshi will essentially act as membership. Kusama also briefly discussed in the Shiba Inu official Discord about legendary cards and what makes them unique. According to the lead developer, legendary cards are the rarest cards, and what makes their trait legendary is not only their rarity score but because they are actually based on actual Shiboshis. As to whether the game will change from its early test version, Kusama said, not too much. However, they noted that the decision depends on the decentralized SHIB team. The card should remain, but there will have to be adjustments of this version, early test, to any other distributor that takes the game, they said in response to a fan. The difference between us and other companies is this. When they make $XXXM, they do things and profit. When we make $XXXM, we do things and burn SHIB and reward and research and develop, etc., etc., Kusama underlined. Fandom will list the story behind the game. It's not just a game. It's a whole universe, the lead developer noted responding to a commenter who asked what a fandom story is. Yes, not that soon enough. Game first. Then Shibarium. Then game on Shibarium, Kusama answered when a commenter asked if Shiba Eternity would be available in Shibarium 2. Shibarium is Shiba Inu's upcoming Layer 2 solution. Based on Kusama's answers, as well as on earlier reports, Shiba Eternity is just the first entry to a series of projects the development team is planning to launch. Since the initiative was announced in November 2021, it is known that the Shiba Inu game features a couple of titles split into an NFT game and a classic mobile game. So far, the team is focused on the mobile game aspect as testing is now live for Vietnamese players. However, it appears that when the game officially launches worldwide, Shiba Inu will introduce the NFT aspect of Shiba Eternity, with Kusama making that clear in their response to one of the commenters who asked about potential changes from an early test to an official release. Shiba Eternity is the latest initiative unveiled to expand the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Shibarium is also anticipated to launch this year and Shib, the metaverse, the community's version of the metaverse, sometime soon. As of 2:36 a.m. Eastern Time Friday, SHIB, the native token of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, was trading down 10.32% at $0.00000134 with a 24-hour volume of $721,369,837, according to the latest data from CoinMarketCap.